Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, this is Pratik Srivastava here, and in our today's video, I am going to share Infosys interview experience of one of our student Abhishek, who had his interview yesterday, 31st of January 2022, and he's from branch CSE, and the batch is 2020, and his written test date was 23rd of January 2022, and his interview date was yesterday, 31st of January 2022, and the time was 12 to 12:20 p.m. Okay, so he has shared his experience with us, and the same thing definitely we are going to tell you here, like what all questions were asked to him. Okay, now, so friends, before that, I wanted to tell you, so if you have given your examination on 23rd of January 2022, and if you have got the shortlisted mail on 28th of January 2022, then you need to wait for almost 20 days. Even I have told you earlier also. So from 28 you can think of 3 days plus, so till 17th of February you will be getting the email. Many of the students are messaging and asking, sir, when I will be getting the Infosys interview mail? So till 17th of Feb you have to wait. Okay, so one by one based on the batches. So now they are calling for CSE, and then they are also calling the BSc MSc students. So one by one they will be calling, so you need to wait. Okay, so what Abhishek told, hello sir, my interview was very good. I was able to answer 90% of the question. So basically 16 question was asked to him. Your interview PDF material helped me a lot. Most of the questions were directly asked from that. Also your YouTube videos helped me a lot. Okay, please share this experience with a student so they will get help. So thank you Abhishek for your kind gesture. So you wanted to help a student, and that's really a very good thing. So if anyone wanted to share your experience, please do share, and I will be definitely sharing with the student. Okay, so you can share it on info dot online study for you, online study for you. Okay, online study for you at gmail.com. Okay, so you can share your interview experiences here, and I will definitely share it to the student. Now, so let us see what all questions were asked to him. So show me your ID card. So definitely friends, you need to be ready with your ID card. Either it is Aadhaar card. Okay, so either it is Aadhaar card or college ID card, or I will say if we have both, then be ready with both of the things. And also please join 20 minutes before. So suppose if your interview is at 12 p.m, okay, then please do join at 11:40 p.m. AM itself. Okay, so 11:40 AM itself, please do join 20 minutes before. Then introduce yourself. Friends, I have told you in multiple videos that introduce yourself is your question paper. Okay, so whatever you are going to tell in introduce yourself or self introduction, that is what, that is from, that is where interviewer will be asking question to you. So think that it is a question paper. So irrespective of what resume you have uploaded, if you give your introduction in a proper way, then okay, then definitely interviewer will ask questions from there. Make sure you mention that your name. Okay, so suppose my name is Abhishek. Okay, I have done my engineering from ABCD college. Okay, in ABCD branch with a CGPA of suppose 8.9. So you have to mention your name. Okay, and then definitely a college name and your CGPA, and then you mention your primary skills. Okay, so primary skills means technical skills, then you mention your technical skills. So interviewer will ask questions from there. So C++ or Java or Python, whatever you know, or DBMS. So there are many things are there. So whatever you know, please mention that, and I will recommend everyone to have a knowledge of basic C programming. And then you mention your project in the like what kind of project or internship you have done. Okay, so that also you mention. Also friends, many of the students were telling, sir, I have not done any kind of project. So we are bringing a project for you. Okay, so that will be like website development, and the source code will be shared with you. So the source code will be also shared with you, and we are also planning to give this certificate. Okay, so we are also planning to give the certificate of for this project that you have completed with us. So source code will be there, and the website development, a very simple page, will be definitely developed using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So those who will be needing, definitely we will provide it to them. So by today evening, we are planning to release this project. Okay. Then the third point is, do you have a laptop? Then explain your project. So if you have done your project, and if you have mentioned in the self introduction, then the question will come to you. Explain your project. What was your role in the project? If it is not a solo project, if you have not done it alone, then the questions will be coming. So what was your role in the project? Explain briefly, and what kind of language you have used. So explain do while and while loop. But before that, friends, I wanted to tell you something. So if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, please do subscribe, because you can see we are uploading the HR interview question. So tell me about yourself. Okay, why should I hire you? All this question by Tanvi ma'am. If any kind of hiring is there, programming questions are there, we will upload on C++, Java, Python, everything we are going to upload. Okay, and even you can see interview experiences we are sharing. So please have a look at that, how to prepare for the interview. Small shorts like what is SDLC, and explain its phases. So we are doing a lot of activities also on Instagram. So we are uploading a lot of videos like what is SDLC. So within 30 to 40 seconds, what are the 4 pillars of OOP C programming question? So if you have still not followed our Instagram page, then please do it. Tell me about yourself, how to answer. So we are doing all these activities for you. And if you want to buy this Infosys interview preparation material, see, we have put all the important questions here, and 200 and 300 rupees is not a very big amount. So people are getting benefited from that. So that is the reason I'm telling you. So if you want to buy, you can definitely buy. You can read that. So now live mock interview slots are full. So we are not giving any kind of live mock interview. You can also see here live mock interview slots are full. So we are not providing any live mock interview. Okay. So updated on 31st of, so yesterday only I have updated that there is no live mock interview will be conducted along with this. But we have uploaded 12 videos. Okay. So, but we have, if you'll see the content, so we have uploaded, 12 videos interview course. Like you can see data structure interview question, database interview question, do and do not networking interview questions, OOPS concept interview questions, part 1, part 2, procedural programming interview questions, resume writing, okay, and top 10 soft skill virtual interview, do and do not. So we have uploaded this video, so this will be definitely be helpful for you. Now, so what is has include? Okay, so in many, even I had made a video in that, I had mentioned like what is this include. So basically this is a header, and they might also ask you studio.h. So where it will be standard input output, and h will be your header file. Then what is pointer? So if you'll see our Instagram page, so I have also told what is pointers. So I can just show you. So just give me a minute. So why OOPS concept was introduced, and definitely pointer has been also covered. I need to definitely search it, friends. So pointer is basically a variable which contains address of another variable. So I don't know where it is lost, but it is definitely there because I have done all these videos. Okay, so Infosys interview. Okay, fine. What is SDLC? And the questions were asked. Okay, so let me take you through this. Okay, all the trending technology in IT. And yes, so this is a video on pointer. So you can see what is pointer in C programming. So the pointer in C programming is a variable which stores the address of another variable. The variable can be of type int, char, array, function, or any other pointer. And then you can see I have also given one example. See, everything please explain by example. Then it will definitely help you a lot to understand. Okay. Now, so what was the next question? Call by value and call by reference. I will make a video on that also. Polymorphism and inheritance with an example. So yesterday I had made one video. So yesterday only I made, and I remember this. I had covered the 4 pillars. So what is inheritance, right? So what are the 4 pillars of OOPS concepts? Abstraction, encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism. And polymorphism I had explained through one example. So if you watch the video, you will be definitely able to understand. Then SDLC and its phases. Okay. So yesterday again you can see we have uploaded on video what is SDLC and its phases. Within 30 to 40 seconds you are able to prepare, right? So I have given an example. So when you wanted to develop a mobile, okay, then what it should be there, friends. So see, at many places they will be writing many other things, but the concept remains same. See, the first thing will be planning and strategy. Somebody had commented that, sir, why you are teaching wrong. See, friends, once you will be little experienced, okay, and see the what happens. So when 1 year experienced guy or without any experience, if somebody is teaching you, definitely they do not know how to implement this. But I have worked for 10 years, and I have worked in Motorola, I have worked in Nokia. So I have worked in mostly the mobile companies, and we use this method to implement this. So we know what exactly is SDLC and what is the phases. Okay, so definitely please do not think it is wrong. Please try to understand what does SDLC means. Okay, so in a very simple language, again it has been explained. Program for reverse string. So friends, program for reverse string, and then Fibonacci series program. Okay, and then swapping of numbers, and then addition of 2 numbers without using third variable, and then palindrome. So friends, these are few programs you should be definitely see. it's not fixed that interview will definitely ask you to write a program. But here, the you can see Abhishek is a CSE student. So when Abhishek is CSE student, then definitely, you know, the expectations will be more on that, right? So he is our student, and I got all the details from him, like which batch and when did he get mail. So each and every details I had got from him. Okay, and after the interview, he called me also. But sir, my interview was good, and I know definitely he will get selected. Static and dynamic binding. Okay, why should we hire you? So see, this is HR question. Why should we hire you? So you have to tell what is unique in you, right? What do you know about Infosys? So friends, do not ignore this question. So what do you know about Infosys? So the three things you have to keep in mind. So when was Infosys founded? Okay, at least see, these are the mandatory information. Where is the headquarter of Infosys? And you should also know Infosys is India's um, top MNC. Okay, so India's top MNC. And then you should also know what does Infosys do. I mean, Infosys is involved in services. Okay, Infosys is involved in consulting, so you should know a few information about Infosys. And do you have any questions? So you can ask, sir, what is the current technology on which Infosys is working, or if I get selected, in which technology I will be put in. So that shows that you are very much interested in technology, and you are very much interested in the work. And you can say, sir, after I get selected, on what technology I will be working, so that I can prepare before I join Infosys. So that means it shows that you are very much keen to learn new technology, and even before you join Infosys, you wanted to learn that. That means you are a serious candidate. See, with your talk only, you have to impress the interviewer, and do not get nervous. Things will be very very easy, and you will be if you are following our channel, if you are following our YouTube videos, then definitely you will be able to clear. So friends, now also I'm telling, if you have still not followed, please do subscribe. Let this reach to the maximum number of students. And I wanted, see, the student, these people are clearing the interviews, right? And they're getting selected. So latest interview experiences. So we feel very, very happy. See, when this is a operation executive interview experiences, this is TCS a digital interview experiences. So when somebody clears the interview, and then they come to our platform and they say, sir, we have got help from your channel or your courses, then we feel really very happy, because the effort which we are putting is definitely getting utilized. There are few people who will give the negative comments also. Sir, you are doing for marketing. Sir, you are doing. See, we don't force anyone to buy anything from us. See, it's only thing is, we have kept so many teachers. They are working. We need to pay them, right? So even I am completely involved here. So I also need to fill my stomach. So that is the reason in minimal charges. See, you tell me where in 300 rupees the interview courses, and you can see. So this course I'm talking about. So in 300 rupees, live mock interview and plus PDF will be given. Nowhere. So this is not for marketing. We are keeping a minimal course fees, so that see, the faculty who are making the videos, see, Deepika ma'am works for us, Tanvi ma'am works for us. So we need to pay to everyone. So friends, please, before you comment, you think how much effort we are putting it. And we are see, all these things we are doing completely for free. Instead of this, we could have done something else, but we wanted you to get a job, and whatever effort is possible, we will be doing either in night, morning, afternoon, evening. We are continuously ready to work for you, and according to your requirement, we are bringing a lot more videos so that you will get benefited. Thank you, friends. Please take care, and all the best for your interview. Understand our effort which we really put in. And yes, thank you and all the best. We'll meet soon.